What is going on YouTube? We are back with another one. Alright guys, so I hope you've all had a blast out there in the markets. Now we just kicked off a brand new month. It's the 1st of October. That being said, I want to give you guys an insight into all the moves that we've been making over the Discord over the last 5 days. And I'm hoping this is going to be one, insightful for you, but also that you're able to use these methods to your advantage, but also eye-opening to the fact that you can still hit very high levels of success in these markets, regardless of what the headlines are saying or what these major indices are doing. And remember, if you want to be part of our team over the Discord, just hit that top link in this video description, tap into the plays and the moves that we make. Look forward to seeing you guys over there. Now, before I dive into the first one, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button for me. So we're going to kick things off here. Now this is a call option play that I got the team over the Discord into on Monday. Now as we're speaking, this is up 30%. Alright, so major gains on this one already. Now the underlying stock is ticker symbol SBLK. That is Star Bulk Carriers, and this is a dry bulk shipping company. For those of you who are new to dry bulk shipping, or as a reminder, this is transportation of aluminium, coal, steel, all the commodities via the sea for their clients from point A to point B. And this is a booming industry right now. The only thing that's changed since the last time we spoke about this one is the prices have increased, right? The amount they're able to charge their customers. It's gone up about 10% over the last week. So we are taking an already profitable machine. I'm gonna throw up some charts for you guys as well and making them even more profitable. And that's why this one remains one of my favorite plays that's out there in the markets right now. And I'm excited to what they're able to deliver us as investors, whether that's continual share price increase, whether that's dividends. There's a lot more to come into play as things stand. Now I've got my stock position in this one already, well over 1,000 shares, doing well for me, comfortably in the green. But when I see momentum in the stock, it's doing very well, but I don't want to grab more shares given I bought down here and the stock price is up here. That's when I move to call options, right? As an opportunity to accelerate my returns. And that's exactly what we've done on those call options that I just showed you guys. Now, $24, this play really has no business being here, because what it's saying is basically the market is discrediting the increase in that Baltic Dry Index we have seen from the middle of the year around the July mark to here, right? In July, it was around 3,000. Now we're hovering around that 5,000 level, right? This is a big increase since then, okay? So there's still a lot more the market can give to the play. Now I'm gonna talk to you guys about exit strategy, right? A lot of you are comfortably in the money on this play, making great returns. At this level, at that junction, it's time for you guys to start planning your exit, right? I always say, you want to start taking profit when the going is good. You don't want to wait for a turn of events, because you always want to be in control of your plays and your investments. And if you wait till it drops down or there's a shake up in the markets, at that point, you lose command of the play. So the best way to do it is to have profit taking checkpoints. It's currently at $24. You can have a profit taking checkpoint at $25, where you might go ahead and take out 10%, leave the rest in if you still have conviction in the play. If it gets to 27, you can then take out a little bit more. You take out 20% and again, let the play run. If it gets to 30 at that junction, then you can go ahead, take out 40, whatever the case may be. You guys decide the numbers, but as I say, it's important for you to have your exit strategy, because that way you are maximizing the returns you're making in the play and you're always staying in command. Alright guys, so it gets better. Now this is a put option play that I put the team over the Discord into 2 days ago, and now as we're speaking, this is up 70%. Now for those wondering how the hell are we up 70% given the way the current market is moving, check this. This is the underlying stock here is ticker symbol MACY. Now you guys know I like this play a lot. Great valuation, high levels of demand for their products. They're able to navigate the supply chain issues going on. They're paying down debt. I could go on and on. They just tick the boxes for a superior play. But regardless, however strong a play is, no stock out there in the market is going to be able to perpetually escape volatility. It's going to hit these plays. It's just a matter of when. Now this is one that was moving very well over the last couple of sessions, defying gravity given the entire market was pulling down all of these stocks, okay? So it's just a matter of time, and the day of reckoning hit today. So check this, this one's down 8.5%. That is why our put option is up 70% today. Now they came down sooner than I expected. I was expecting them to come down sometime in October, but that was brought forward because of Bed Bath & Beyond. That was the catalyst that sent this one down, and tons of plays across the retail space. Bed Bath & Beyond, they missed their earnings numbers. They post up weaker guidance. They're not able to navigate the supply chain issues going on at the moment. So that just dragged down the entire sector and made our put option print. Alright guys, now for the grand finale, and it gets even better. This is a call option play, got the team over the Discord into on Monday. Now check this, we are 107% on this one. Now the underlying stock here is ticker symbol ARCH. Would you guys believe this is a coal producer? If you remember the days we were making big money on EV stocks, tech stocks, space stocks, all these fancy companies, and now we are taking it back to basics with a coal stock. You gotta love these markets. There's always going to be a bull market somewhere, and if you're positioned in a sweet spot, you're going to make tons of money. Now in all seriousness, there is a major energy crisis going on right now. You might have even felt the crunch with higher prices, and there's a lot of pieces to the puzzle on this one and why coal prices are going up, from China restricting imports from Australia, one of the world's largest coal producers, to all the power outages that is going on in China right now, the coal supply shortages. Now the more pieces of the puzzle, the more sustainable and the more severe the situation can get, playing into the favor of our company. Now when we have one of these major crises, there's always going to be a loser, and the clear loser is anyone who's consuming coal, and a major winner, that's going to be the coal producers, because as I said, just like SBLK, we're already taking a profitable machine and making them even more profitable. To put it into context, coal has increased over 20% this week. Now the fact that I'm even getting pumped and amped up about coal makes me laugh, but gotta realize we are going for a key season right now for the commodity, heading into winter, and we're not even at the peak of the season yet. So all of this combined is what we call a perfect storm. Now even though I got the call secured on this one, told you 107% made on about a 15% move in the underlying stock. Not done yet, because I told you guys volatility will hit the play like it does for every play, and I want to ensure I catch it on their fall with puts at the right time though. And I want to get more calls into place because there's still further upside, just taking full advantage of the situation. Alright, so that wraps up for this one. Now in summary, make sure that you guys got your exit strategy on any play that you make entry into. Don't be afraid to go against the grain. You can make a ton of money that way, just like we did with MACY's. And also, don't be afraid to explore, think outside the box. Who knew that coal would be a multi-bagging play? Alright guys, so that wraps up for this one. If you've got any questions, me drop down below. Also, if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.